news. I survived. What happened was I had a small colposcopy done, and it was found that I had some pretty nasty cells on my cervix. Of course, I freaked out with Mum just having passed away 6 months ago with cervical cancer. I went through a whole gamut of fears and things that came up for me. After the colposcopy, I was then due to have a small operation, which is a cone biopsy, where they take a portion in a cone shape out of your cervix, and they test it further to make sure there is no cancer. So there's 3 steps of testing once you've had an abnormal smear that you kind of have to go through. The colposcopy is nothing, it's just like a smear test. The cone biopsy is more of a big deal, because once it's done you are bleeding for a fair while, like a month or so, and the cervix just heals itself over. So I had that done on Friday. I was told that the results from that would come on Tuesday. Tuesday came, and at 8 o'clock in the morning, Dr. Ward, the gynecologist, rang me and said that it was all fine and that I didn't have to go back again for another 4 months just to retest and make sure that the cells had not reformed or come back. So that's amazing news. It was a huge weight off my shoulders, as you can imagine. And but with everything that manifests in life physically, there's always an underlying cause, which is what I really want to focus on now. Like, why did I manifest such a scary scenario? Why was it on my cervix? What's the significance? What's the behaviours? What's the connections behind all of that? So that's what I'm going to be focusing on now. I'm doing a lot of breathing, a lot of good eating, a lot of breath work and sounding, using sound and tones to clear different energies and bring healing. So it probably sounds a bit way out to a lot of you, but you know, I've been doing this sort of stuff for a long, long time, and it really does work. It shifts things, because we're not just a physical body, we are an energy body. We are just using our bodies for the time that we're on the planet. So yeah, anyway, so I'm feeling quite relieved, and now the journey with my healing is to discover the thought patterns behind our cervical imbalance, such as, you know, potential cancer, which was pretty scary. And by me posting these, I hope that it will help anybody else who comes into this situation to maybe look at different ways of healing for yourself. So yeah, there we are, relief, go health. I'll just show you my little fishies. They do talk to me, as you can see. So, yeah, expect some more insights about the sorts of inner work that can happen if you're open to healing on all levels. And anyway, have a good day. I know I will.